A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, today we are going to start a new chapter in computer, that is text in PowerPoint 2016. Today we are going to move to part 1 of this chapter. Today first of all we will see the introduction part. Yes. Now dear children, you have already learned how to create slides in PowerPoint 2016. You also learned how to insert text and pictures in the slide. Now these all the things we studied in our previous chapter. Yes, the following are the 2 thumb rules to create effective slide. One slide should discuss only one topic or subtopic. Now dear children, these are the 2 thumb rules. Yes, this we have to use to create the effective slides. Yes. Now one slide should contain only one topic or subtopic. मतलब एक स्लाइड में या तो एक टॉपिक होना चाहिए और सब टॉपिक होना चाहिए, so that our slide look very effective and attractive. Yes, each slide in a presentation should have short and precise text. The text should be short and precise, very much clear. Yes. While adding text to a slide, if you click on the placeholder, it changes to a text box. Now when we are adding a text to a slide, the placeholder which appears, it changes to the text box. Let us learn how to add a text box, delete the slide, check spelling and errors. Yes. Now dear children, see, for suppose if here I am inserting a new slide. This is the text box. Yes, this is a new slide. This is a text box. Now if I am clicking it, I am clicking on the placeholder, it changes to the text box. Understood? Yes. Is it clear to you? Moving on to next. Now dear children, how to insert a text box? Delete or replace text from a slide. To delete a text from a slide, select the text and press the delete key. You will replace the selection with a new text by typing the new text over the selected text. Okay? Let us see what we are having next. Now dear children, for suppose this is our blank slide. Okay? ये हमारी blank slide है. Now if here I want to insert a text box. Okay? How I will insert? I will go on the insert tab. I will click on the text box. See, the cursor changes here. Then I will drag it like this. Yes. Then if I am writing the name of the chapter, text in PowerPoint 2016. Now if I want to delete this text, yes, how can I do it? By selecting it, selecting the whole text and then press the delete key. Yes dear children. Now for suppose if I want to replace the text, okay, you have selected the text, then you can write here for suppose computer. Instead of pressing the delete key, I just replace the text. How? By first selecting the text. See, for suppose I have written here computer. Now I want to write the name of the chapter. Okay. Then first I will select it to replace the text. Okay. Select it to replace the text. Then I will simply type text in PowerPoint. Okay dear children. Understood very well how to delete the text and how to replace the text. Yes, is it clear to you? Next we are having the formatting of the text. Now dear children, I will show you this as well. Now if I want to increase the size of this text, okay, I want to do some formatting. How can I do? See, in the font group here I am having the font, that is the font appearance of the font, how I want, the size. See, if I am changing it to Arial black, you can see the difference. The size from 32, then this is for increasing the font size. Okay, this is for decreasing the font size. Then this is to clear all the formatting, means the formatting which I have done in my text. See, I press this button and then all the formatting, the text was in the original form. Okay, how I typed it. Yes. Okay, next we are having then bold. It makes the text bold. Here we are already having the bold text. First make Arial. Okay, the simple Arial. Then if I am clicking on it, see here the text appears in bold. Here italic, the selected text will be italic like this. Underline, the selected text will be underlined. Yes, dear children, here we are having the character spacing. Here we are having the change case, and this is the font color. Here I can change the font color. Yes. Are you all able to see? Is it clear to you? See, you can change the font color like this. But to use the functions of this whole group, of the font group, first you have to select the text. Okay, remember that. First select the text, then do all the changes in the font size, then bold, italic, underline, font color. Yes, dear children, understood it very well? Is it clear to you? Next, we are having changing case. Now, we are having a feature, a changing case. Now, sentence case, the first character of the first word of the sentence is capitalized. Now, we can change the case also of all the sentences. Yes, we are having different case. Now, the sentence case does, it keeps the first word of the sentence in capital form. जो first word होगा हमारा वो capital form में होगा. Then the first character of the first word means the first letter. For suppose changing case में जैसे आप देख रहे हो in the word changing, my first letter C is in capital form. That is my first character in the first word is capitalized. So this is the sentence case. Next we are having the lower case. All the characters are in lower case. That is small letters. सारे के सारे small letters में आ जाएंगे. Upper case. All the characters are in uppercase, that is in the capital letters. Then we are having capitalize each word. The first letter of the each word is capitalized. Yes, if you want to use this, आपको हर एक word का first letter capital चाहिए. So you will use capitalize each word. The last one is in the toggle case. This option changes lowercase characters to uppercase and uppercase characters to lower. We will see in the practical as well. For suppose, see, this is our slide. Okay. Now, here I want to change the case. How can I change the case? First, I will select the text. Yes. After selecting the text, okay, I will use this text as it is in bigger font. Okay, I will make it more bigger so you are able to see it very clear. Now, changing case. Okay, now here I will change the case of my sentence of my text. See, if my cursor moves on sentence case, you can see the difference. If my cursor is moving on lower case, yes, see here, my whole text is in small letters. Yes, in lowercase. If I am making it to uppercase, the whole text is in the capital form. Now, if I am making it to capitalize each word, see, now capitalize each word means in the text, in a sentence, how many words I am having. Okay, now in this text, only 2 words I am having. That is changing, and then next we am having case. Okay, so capitalize each word means it will capitalize the first character of all the words. Yes, clear? Last we are having the toggle case, that it changes uppercase characters to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. Now as you have seen, okay, the first letter here should be in uppercase, that is in the capital form. Understood? ये जो फर्स्ट लेटर हमारा किस में होना चाहिए, हमेशा फर्स्ट लेटर इट शुड बी इन कैपिटल फॉर्म. नाउ दिस इज इन स्मॉल. All the other characters are in small letters. Now in original they should be in small letters and the C should be in the capital letters. Understood the difference, dear children? What does toggle case does? It changes the uppercase characters to lowercase and lowercase characters to uppercase. जो हमारा यहाँ पे first character होना चाहिए वो uppercase में होना चाहिए, that is in capital. It changes to lowercase, that is small letters, and बाकी के जो हमारे letters हैं वो lowercase में होने चाहिए, but it changes into uppercase. Yes, clear to you? Next we are having answer time. State true or false. Now tell me, font color changes the size of the text. Is it true or false? हम font color की help से text की size change कर सकते हैं? Yes or no? No. So it is false. For changing the size we use the font size. Now decrease font size makes the font smaller. अगर हम लोग font size decrease करेंगे तो हमारी font को small कर देगा. Yes? Think and answer. Then next we are having italic makes the text bold. The italic font makes the text in a bold form. Is it true, dear children? For bold form, for bold text, what we use, which group we use in font? Think and answer, dear children. Next, we are having worksheet that is on page number 87. Yes, what you have to do here, you have to label any 5 options in the following diagrams. Okay, 1 or 2 I will say the answer for you. This Calibri is the font. Okay, Calibri is the font. Then 18 is the font size. Then this is used for bold. This is used for bold. Is it clear to you, dear children? Now 2 more you have to do. 2 more you have to label, but not 2 more. You will label these 3 plus 4 more. Okay, plus 4 more. I know you can do it all alone. Yes. So in total you have to label 7 options in the following diagrams. How many? 7, dear children. Is it clear to you? Yes. Dear children, we will meet next time with something more interesting in this chapter. Till then, bye bye. God bless you all.